Panguwa ino chikwadi chakubuda pachena takuona kuti ma-assassination attempts aida kuita kuna advocate Nelson Chamisa. Toona kuti the CIO, former CIO Isaac Moyo onkonzi aiwa ndiye mukomana akamisa kuassassinatwa kwaadvocate Nelson Chamisa. Sadapita mashoko anobuda nyuko pana pazvinzi aiwa akanzi angakwanisi kutungamira ma-CIO kana achitya achiramba kuassassinata Chamisa. Ndoti subscribe like turn the bell icon. Tipinda pa hendo ye BBC zvambobuda nyora kuti checkpoint UK based investigative unity claims CIO sought to kill Chamisa and have it blamed to COVID-19. Nelson Chamisa was the front runner to win Zimbabwe's 2023 presidential elections, but had been identified as the main challenge to ED's second term in office. Take up the article, which seeks to explain how former CIO boss Isaac Moyo lost his job, reveals intricate details about the ongoings on the state security agency, including the plot to have him fired as way back 2020. For refusing to kill Chamisa, Isaac Moyo was described as too nice to lead CIO. Early 2020 ED received reports that claimed Moyo was a nice guy but ineffective. One such report dated 15 February 2021 claimed Moyo had returned down 2 projects or operations that suggest using COVID-19 pandemic as a smokescreen to kill opposition candidates, including Chamisa. Moyo refused to authorize operations. His juniors then wrote a report saying he was too nice to lead the CIO. Then leading the Citizen Coalition for Change, Chamisa survived numerous attempts on his life towards 2023 elections. Moyo was eventually replaced by Fulton Mangwanya. Earlier this year, he reported unsuccessfully sought an exit in 2022 as confrontations and questions around his modus operandi from his juniors continued. Amongst many reforms Moyo brought to the CIO, operatives reportedly did not take kindly to him, demanding that they surrendered their identity cards before knocking off to reduce cases of abuse. On X-Space, some few months, Chamisa's spokesperson Gulule Posvanda said the attack at Chamisa's rally in Kwekwe, which resulted to the death of Mboneni Ngube, some CIO tipped Chamisa's team about the plan. Since it was election campaign season, they thought it was just a counterintelligence meant to stop Chamisa from campaigning. Joma shoko aiwa anobuda achi expose nawo kuna pa BBC Zimbabwe chonoko kunzi aiwa Nelson Chamisa ankadei aiwa atakiwa kana kuassassinate panguwa COVID-19, but nauya Isaac Moyo akaonekwa kunzi aiwa akangari lenient panamba chonoko kunzi dismiss mamwe operations mamwe operatives achiti aiwa izvo amukwanisi kuzviita zvimire panguwa ino kuonekwa kunzi aiwa angava mukomana akaita kuti Nelson Chamisa asevewe munyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kundipa musoro pechitiko ichi apena kuma section yedu semafunguro enyu musana subscribe like turn on the bell icon.